Guys, welcome back. So this is actually a remake video of one of my previous videos, which is actually installing the Eclipse on your Windows 10 machine. So last one had issues with the audio synchronization with the video. So I realized that I have to remake it in order to make you understand how the download and installation process of Eclipse works and the initial configuration a little bit. So let's get started. So for this demonstration I'm going to use Mozilla Firefox browser. You can definitely go with any of your preferred browser. So go to the search bar and look for Eclipse download. So uh, from the results, just select the link, which is the Eclipse downloads from Eclipse Foundation. So it will take you to the download page. So click on the Get Eclipse IDE 2021-06 version, 06 release in fact. So this is for the Windows 32-bit and 64-bit machines. So you can go with this um, directly, or you could probably scroll down a little bit and you can, if you are interested, you can check out their other releases as well. So for this video I'm going to go with this download. So it will take you to the download page where you can actually go with the default download mirror, or you could probably select the closest download location uh, from this link. Okay, so I'm just going with the default one in this case. So I'm just going to click the download button and it will take you to the donation page, I believe. Yes, it is. So if you want to make a donation, please go ahead and make a donation. For this video I'm going to skip that. And as you can see, there is a pop-up window which is asking you to save that file. So as I have downloaded it before, I'm just going to cancel it. You can definitely save it. So go ahead and save it actually. So I'm going to cancel this one. And now I want to go to the download section. My PC, as I have downloaded it. So what you will get after the download is that this one, the installer. Okay, you are actually downloading the installer. So go ahead and execute that installer file. I'm not sure if you can see this. If I mean, do I need to zoom this one? I don't think so. So open up the Eclipse installer. It will take a while. Okay, so the Eclipse installer has been initialized. So from here actually you can choose the target Eclipse IDE version of your choice, or the target Eclipse IDE release of your choice. For example, if you want to do it for Java development, just go ahead with the default, the first one. Or if you are a C or C++ developer, go with this one. Or if you have some other specific purpose for you can definitely go with those as well. So for now I'm just going with the default one, so I'm clicking on that. And the installation process is fairly simple. It will take you to the installation window where you can definitely go with that um, preferred installation folder. If you want to change the default one. I'm just going with the default installation folder for now. And obviously for this release, the 2021 June Eclipse release, you definitely need to have Java 11 plus virtual machine on your system. So if you haven't done it, if you don't know how to install Java 11, so check out the video I have made before. So I will probably link it out as well. And you can also get some details about this Eclipse IDE for Java developers, what it offers actually beyond Java development. It also comes with a Git client, XML editor, Maven, and Gradle integration. So that's a good package actually for the developers. So now what you will do is to install, click the install button, and it will start installing the Eclipse on your machine on this location. Okay. So when the installation is done, go to this location as I have already installed it. So this is probably the, which one? 64. Okay. So I have, okay, so this is 63, which I have installed on my system. So get there, and well, I can check it. Select this one, go to the Explorer, down, and here is after installation. Get to that location in the File Explorer and execute this Eclipse, or you can probably right click on the exe file and pin to your taskbar, or create a shortcut on your desktop like this. Okay, so when you do it, uh, open the Eclipse up. I'm just closing everything because I have those installed before. I'm just saving your time. What happens is that when you actually open your Eclipse for the first time, after the installation, you will probably get some different views. So I'm showing it right away. Don't worry about it. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to change the workspace. So workspace is basically where your created projects from IDE actually are saved. So it's, you can say, like file location or folder location for your Eclipse projects. Okay. So first thing first, so in order to change the workspace, you can obviously do it from your IDE. Just click on file and go to switch workspace from the file menu and select uh, other. Right now I am on the C workspace 2021 workspace location. So when your Eclipse IDE opens up for the first time, it will show a window like this. You can definitely, they will Eclipse will define a default location for your IDE, and then definitely you can choose a workspace location of your own. So I'm going to change this location for this demonstration purpose. So I'm going to go with another workspace. You can definitely create one, workspace test, and select that folder, launch it, and it will restart the Eclipse IDE. Okay, so for the first time, when you open up your IDE and your workspace is set and which is fresh and there is no project in it, you will get the this view. Okay, so this is the welcome page for this specific Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So from here you can definitely go through their documentations, and you can definitely go through the tutorials as well. You can also check the samples and what's new in this release. And for now, in order to test our Eclipse installation, I'm just going with the default new Java project. So I'm selecting one. I'm going to name the project as hello, and keeping all other configuration default, clicking on next and clicking on finish since I do not have any changes there. Okay, so we need to create a module since this is Java 11. So I'm just going to keep the default module name as the project name. So I'm just gonna click on create, and this is going to give me the uh, uh, project, new project. And from source src folder, I'm going to create a new package. It's going to be demo app, and here I'm just going to create a new class which is going to be hello. And here in this class I'm going to create a new or define the call the main define the main function. And here inside the main function I'm going to print something. So this is going to be hello uh, Eclipse IDE 2021-06. So let's save it and then compile and run this one. So here it is. So our program has been executed successfully. So the Eclipse installation is working perfectly. So that's all from this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Peace out.